Real quick, guys, I'm going to be going over with you how to make one of these. This is for your 22, 23, 24 Cummins 68 RP and Aisen. So with 18 and up, you guys all know that you have to hook up one of these. One that looks like this. So this will plug into the OBD port. You plug in your tuner here, and this will go to the OBD star. It's got like a little small connector on it. This is the same thing. It's just built into something else. So it's the same exact thing. This one's just red. And instead of having that little connector on, I cut it off and I added wire to it and then I ordered some of these connectors, and then it plugs in underneath the hood. On the driver's side, should be right there. Take the cap off, plug it in. If you don't have this, which I don't have this for this guy, I ran out of parts. This is what you're gonna do. Try to make it simple for him. I told him I'm gonna send it kind of open so he can make some on his own. Send him some of this to clean it up later. So it's got these are your can high and your can low. It doesn't matter if it's red, black, it's not grounded power or anything. It's tapped into the back of the, it's tapped into the back of this right here. Just like the ones that Fish Tuning sells, the permanent installs. So you always want to twist your wires. And I use, for these guys, I'll use this. A really easy connector to use. Put it in there. Bam. Not bam. Bam, it's connected. And I don't know which one's can high and can low. I didn't check it or anything, but it doesn't really matter because you can just switch it. Not hurting anything. Okay, that one's connected. Open this one up. So I cut two pieces of wire, just standard wire. You use speaker wire, whatever. Copper is probably better. 8 foot a piece. So one of these is gonna go here. And again, all I'm doing is extending. The wire that was here is small, tiny. Cut it off. I'm extending the wire. Okay, so that's one wire. All right. Take our other wire. Put it in there. And always twist your wires right here. Twist it up. Make sure you're making a good connection. If you got a ohm meter, you can check it, but it should be okay. So that's how he's going to get it. And it's easy for him to switch it out and change it, but he will understand how it actually works. So this is going to plug into your Cummins. You're going to plug in your Nexic here. So if you're using like Calterm or something, you tune it. And then this, so that's all plugged in. We're done with that. These wires are going to reach all the way up underneath your hood. And you're going to take off the connector that I showed you. It's got a cap on it. Take it off. And then you can just literally, you can do it like this. Shove one in the right side and one in the left side. Make sure it's, it's being held there. Like get the weight of the wire off and stuff. If it does not connect, all you got to do, swap them. And then you know what's what. You can mark it and tidy it all up and call it a day. But that's all there is to making this. I mean, you can literally make this with chicken wire. I've done it twice. So I think you guys are going to be all right. All right, thanks for watching.